Assalamualaikum. Dear students, this is a demo video in order to show you how to attend annual examinations 2020, which we are conducting for the first time in the online mode. This video will show you how to attend the exam, both the MCQ and creative part. What you can see now is my mobile phone. So I assume that most of the students will be doing it through mobile phone. When you are using a mobile phone, make sure you have 4 apps already installed in your phone. One is WhatsApp. The second one is Zoom, which you are using to attend regular classes. The third one is Google Classroom, that many of the students will be already using. Those who are not using Google Classroom, please enter the Google Classroom which your class teachers have started. You will require that for attending the exams. Then you will also need Cam Scanner. This is an app which will be familiar to senior students, but now in order to submit a creative paper, this is very important. Here I assume that I am a student of grade 11A. My name is Jannatul Noor. Today I have physics exam. It will be conducted by Sadman sir. So in the beginning, I have to go to my WhatsApp and get the Zoom ID. Your respective teachers will share the Zoom ID in your class group. So let me go to the WhatsApp. I have Sadman sir shared the Zoom meeting ID with me. So I will go to the meeting first. So I am entering the meeting room. I have entered the meeting. You can see here call over internet. I am not pressing that now because if I press that now, my video will get interrupted. You have to press it and keep both your audio and video on. Here I forgot to tell you something. Before the exam begins, inform all members in your family that you are going to write an exam. Therefore, they have to keep silence at home and try to remain in a room with the doors closed so that you will not be disturbing other members in your family. Also, make sure that you have kept the charger for the device handy and you are seated near a plug point. Also, keep all the stationery required near to you. Keep the pen, pencil, a notebook, or A4 size paper to write the exams and all the material which you will be required during the exam. Now, I am in the Zoom meeting with Sadman sir and he will be sharing the MCQ question paper with me. Assalamu alaikum sir.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. How are you all?
Alhamdulillah, we are fine.
So we are going to start the exam, and at first I will share the MCQ question paper link in the chat box with you. You can click on the link that will direct you to the question paper. You can just mark the correct answer and submit accordingly. Okay.
Okay, thank you sir.
Check the chat box now.
Yeah, here down I can see more and there is one chat there. That's the red one with one. So I'm going to click that. I clicked and I have a chat here. Here Sadman sir have shared the link to the MCQ paper. So I'm going to click it and I will get the MCQ paper now. So here there is final exam 2020 physics MCQ. So I have to give my full name, email address. So I will have to give here my email address. So let me give the email address. And I told my name is Jannatul Noor. So I am giving my full name, Jannatul Noor. And I have to mention my grade and section. I'm in grade 11A. Then I have to give my ID number 1234 is my ID number. Then comes the questions. The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called velocity. Which one of the following is a non-contact force? It's gravity. While a body is falling down, the potential energy is converted to, I think it's kinetic energy, and acceleration will be zero if there might be more than one correct answer. So I have to be more careful here. Velocity remains constant, then acceleration is zero, of course. The velocity decreases, acceleration is negative, not zero. Net force working on the body is zero. Yes, acceleration will be zero. Then friction force, of course, there is a force, so there will be acceleration. What nature of the image? What is the nature of the image formed in convex mirror? For convex mirror, it should be virtual and direct. So I have answered all the questions and now I have to press the submit button. But wait, if you submit now, you will have no chance to correct the answers. So if you have enough time, go back, check all your answers again, and if you are satisfied with the all answers you have written, press the submit button. So I have checked all the answers again. I am submitting my answer script. So I have submitted the answer script. So I have completed by MCQ. Now I have to attempt the creative question. In actual exams, you will be having more questions in the MCQ paper, so you will require more time to answer all the questions, and maybe the teacher will start a new Zoom meeting for uh, the creative question paper. But this is a demo, so we are using the same Zoom meeting to attend the creative paper. So uh, Assalamu alaikum Sadman sir. I have submitted by my MCQ paper. Please share the creative question paper with me.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Congratulations on successfully completing the MCQ test. And now I'm going to share with you the creative question paper through screen sharing. And later I will post it in Google Classroom also, so that after completion of your test you can take picture through cam scanner and send it in Google Classroom as PDF. Okay, so here we go.
Okay, sir. So I'm waiting for my creative question paper to arrive on the screen. Now I have got the creative paper. I have the notebook ready to write all the answers. I will write all the answers. Here, looking into the creative paper, I can take one full Zoom meeting time, that will be approximately 40 minutes. And since this is a demo, I have already some written content in my notebook. I will show how to submit the answer script once you have completed. So assume that I have completed writing my paper. And now I have to go to the CAM scanner in order to submit. So I'm going back to CAM scanner. So now you can see again my mobile phone screen. I am pressing the CAM scanner app here. So the CAM scanner app is open. Here I have down the picture of a camera. That is where I have to press. So I am pressing the CAM scanner. Now you can see my answer script, which is written in a notebook. So I am going to press again the camera picture in green. So when I press that, you can see the green line, that is the selection of a paper which I want to submit. I am satisfied with the selection. If you are not, see, you can move this here and there in order to make sure that all the answers you have written comes within that. And then press next. There is an arrow mark where it is written next. So I am going to click that. I have clicked that, and here you can see my paper clear. So I'm again going to tick the green tick because I'm satisfied with the scan. I have scanned one page. If I have the second or third page here, you can see tap the camera to add new pages. So I'm tapping here the camera or this sheet in order to scan the new page. So next page again I will take and I will press the green camera button, then again I can get the scan and I am satisfied with the margin and all, or I can even adjust that and I will again go to the next. So this is clear. So again I am going to click the tick mark, and if I have 3, 4 or 5, how many pages I need, I can scan in one document. So again I can adjust the boundaries and all, and I'm satisfied. So the next I will type and again. So as many pages as you have in your creative answer sheet, you can add like this. Once you have added all the pages, you can see at the top a PDF. So on the PDF, where it is written PDF, click that icon. So this will be converted to one single PDF document. So I have click the PDF. So there is something else, no need, remove watermark, no need. Now I have here a green button telling share. So now I want to share this in my Google Classroom. So I am clicking the share button here. So I have got all the apps in which I can share this. I used to share this in Google Classroom, so it comes at the top for you. It may not be at the top. You have to search for the app. So I am going to click the Google Classroom. Here, grade 11 physics attached to assignment. So I am going to attach this. So I'm going to click the attach to assignment. So assignment 1, demo question paper. So this is a demo question paper. I have clicked into that. So it's going to attach there. So it will take a few seconds to do that. So I can see the attachment. So this attachment is what I want. So I again click there. I saw the attachment and now I have to attach. So I don't have to open that in the Google Classroom. So my work is assigned. So here below, there is a upwards arrow that you can see your work. So you click there, you can see that the CAM scanner document which we just made into PDF is already attached. Now here it is written hand in. In some documents or some phone, it will be written turn in. Instead of turn in, it's written hand in here. No issue. Whatever is written, you have to hand in. Only if you hand in or turn in, your answer script will reach the teacher. So I'm going to click hand in. So hand in one attachment will be submitted. Yes, again I want to do that. So I'm again pressing hand in. So it's getting submitted. It's submitted, the work submitted. I don't want to unsubmit it. So I have submitted my creative paper as well. So I have completed my exams. You can do the same way and write both your MCQ and creative paper well. All the best for your annual exam. Thank you for listening to me.